Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Akmal Daniel.
My name is Muhammad Nazmi Norman.
My name is Muhammad Ali Iqbal.
So for today we're going to make a healthy Italian wrap. So this is all the ingredients: chicken breast, tomato slice, tomato cherry, fresh basil, and cheese. Also with the wrap. And all the ingredients that we use for the seasoning is olive oil, salt, cajun, and black pepper. So let's go. Step, we're gonna put cheese and a little bit of tomato slice. So this is the final product. We're gonna bake inside air fryer for 20 minutes at 180 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna show the final product. This is our final product of the healthy chicken, Italian healthy chicken wrap. So this is the final result. You can see it's fully cooked and fully crispy on top. So, ta-da! Huh?